Deviance, deviance, deviance. Wikipedia definition. In sociology, deviance describes an action or behavior that violates social norms, including a formally enacted rule, for example, crime, as well as informal violations of social norms. For example, rejecting folkways and mores. Folkways and mores are customs and behaviors, customs and conventions, culture, custom, conventions. Although deviance may have a negative connotation, the violation of social norms is not always a negative action. Positive deviation exists in some situations. Although a norm is violated, a behavior can still be classified as positive or acceptable. Britannica definition. Deviance in sociology is a violation of social rules and conventions. Charles McCagee, deviant behavior. Deviant behavior is behavior that departs from social norms. Most of the time, crimes and deviance are intermingled with each other. It is not necessary that all crimes are deviant, and also deviant acts are not crimes. For example, guns are not allowed without government permission, but in some areas it is not banned. Having a weapon is a social norm, but other areas are considered it as a crime. Let's take another example. Assume that someone is drowning and observers are not saving his life. Legally, it is not a crime, but socially and morally, it is a deviant behavior. Criminologists are finding the answers of these questions. Question number one: how deviant behavior become crimes? The use of drugs is not prohibited, but later on it is state sanctioned. Criminologists are studying how deviant behaviors become crimes. So they observe the massive campaigns of political leaders regarding the death cases of their family members and destruction of families due to the use of drugs. To resolve this issue, the state sanctioned this deviant behavior into a criminal act, and now previous law followers have now become criminal offenders. Question number 2: when should crimes be considered only deviant behavior and therefore not subjected to state sanction? Use of drugs, smoking, prostitution, weapon possession, abortion, and gambling are deviant behaviors that not but not state sanctioned in some areas because society is so used to it that it is not the right time to contain deviant behavior. Not all government stakeholders have agreed to come under state sanctions.